Seen any crabs yet, Grump? Yeah, I've seen a couple of dead ones up the start there. Yeah. We're going to get out deeper, that's why. How are you?
How you going?
Good, mate.
What do you know?
Not much. This is Grump, everybody.
He's videoing it.
The funniest bugger in the world, this guy. So, well, we're out here today crabbing, so we're going to see if we can catch a few. We will catch just a few, eh?
Welcome to Hooper's Mayhem, if that's your wish. You will see him try very hard to catch important fish. He will swing a detector around and round. He will find all kinds of treasures on the ground. He loves the caves, he loves the things, he loves just doing everything. To runs and smoking meat. He's a meat smoker that can't be beat. It's Hooper's Mayhem, Hooper's Mayhem, lots of mayhem, really mayhem, a mayhem, Hooper's Mayhem. Oh, won't you just, oh, you subscribe, just subscribe. Please, I just want someone to subscribe. All my family have subscribed, and I know someone I don't know who'll subscribe. Subscribe. Love it. Subscribe.
Alright, there's the crew. We've got Kai, he's all weighted up. Jarvis is walking out here with his fishing rod because there's a fair few whiting out here. And in the background you can see Levi and Grump in the water. And then up on shore you got Jackie, Tegan and Lizzie. So yeah, I'll wait for these kids to catch up. We're gonna head out there. Got a couple guys that are actually fishing for whiting. So it's a good sign that these guys are over here. So Jarvis will probably set up somewhere over here and have a bit of a flick around. Just down here there's a little female. And I'll just show you the difference. See the colour difference in the females? Real brown, and they've got those smaller claws. So you want to keep. We don't keep the females. We throw them back. All right, I got one, and he's just on size, which is perfect. And Kai's scooping for one. He got one.
Yeah, the two.
Two of them. Oh yeah, he's giving it to her. Let's have a look. Nah, they're definitely. It is too. Look. We are
mating.
All right, kids. This is going to be a little bit of a rating. What do you call this, Kai? We want to change. We want to change the adult themes. Movie may contain. Yeah, this movie may contain adult themes. Mating of crabs. Yeah, chuck them back. They're too small. Good job though. Two crabs, and you've seen them.
Yeah.
So this is the money spot.
Yeah.
Seems to be where the crabs are. Yeah. It's funny, eh? Because sometimes I'll be in really shallow, and then sometimes I'll be right out deep, and we're a fair way. We're probably what, almost a K off the shore, I guess. Maybe not quite a K, but 500. All right, we'll come back to you once we see another one. So Levi's here, and there's Grump. You would have met. So Levi was the guy from the intro, and you would have met him a million times. But yep, and Kai's here with us. We'll keep on trekking, see if we can get some big ones.
I hope.
Yo.
Man enough to do it barefoot.
I've got reef shoes on. I'm smarter.
I didn't even wear undies.
Yeah, I didn't wear jocks.
Hooper's Mayhem, more like Hooper being super careful.
Yeah. No, I've done this ever since I was a kid. The amount of times I've been like stung by crabs is ridiculous. So I'm pretty smart. Oh, another good one. I think they're too small as well. Oh, way too small. Yep, way too small.
the size of the hole that Rabbit dug. That's how I knew he was there.
Yeah, there's a big hole there, so he's probably been smashing this area. So Levi's got one. Levi's got a beauty apparently. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, look at the size of it. That's the hole there. You see?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a cracker. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Good job. Well done, Levi. Yeah. He's not too happy.
No.
Yeah, I wouldn't even. You don't even need to check him.
No, I'm not gonna.
That's good. All right, I just cooked one. Good job, mate. And I think he's sized. By the look of that.
Size?
I think so. Yeah, well and truly.
So far we got 3 for lunch.
Yeah. All right, ready, Cole? We'll just chuck him in here.
Gets in. Side fish. Sorry. Civilian.
There he goes. Good job, mate.
Hey.
3. You happy? So
Yeah.
last night Jarvis cleaned up, and then today you cleaned up. So if you haven't, if you guys want to watch that video last night, me and the kids and Jackie met up with my good friend Steely. Oh, my camera is filthy. There we go. All right, last night we went up to Preston Beach and we caught a heap of fish. So Jarvis was the man for a bit. He caught himself some good herring, and I got 5 tailor last night. So we've got a feed for today. But yeah, go and watch that video if you haven't already, or if it's before this one or after this one. But I'll link it if I have to. But yeah, go and watch that one because there was some epic fishing if you like your fishing videos. Yeah, there's a little one. Yeah, big schools of mullet all through here, and then swimming in amongst the mullet, you get the occasional whiting, and then yeah, obviously you get the blowies as well. But what was it? Oh right, yeah. There's some big mullet in here, but they're probably out deeper, the bigger ones. Like Levi said, these are called fingerlings, so they're the smaller breeders of them. Well, not breeds, same breed, but it's just smaller baby ones. So they sort of sit in the shallows until they get a bit older, and then they start heading out deeper and then up the rivers and stuff like that. Just swimming around. Hopefully we can see some on the way back, or they make our way back sort of there. We might have something to eat. Levi's going to go out for another quick scoop, see if he can land another 5. Yeah, so Levi's going to catch up with Grumps. So Grumps like right out
Hang on.
in the distance, fair way out. Oh yeah, definitely don't walk out in the water with your keys.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. Well, best of luck to you. There's Grump, all the way out there. Ready? Let's show you how far out he is. Miles out.
I reckon 300 or 400 metres out.
Yeah, 500.
Nah, I wouldn't be out.
hear Levi coming. Where is he? From a mile away. There he is singing on his way back to where we are. I could just hear his voice. But hey, if you got it, flaunt it. Isn't that what they say? Not sure where Grump is. Oh, there he is. He's out in the distance. We'll see if these guys have got any more. Did you get any more?
Just the one a millimetre over.
Oh, cool. What about Grump?
He's got 2.
Oh, cool.
1 or 2.
Oh,
Can't
sweet.
remember now. But you got to go a long way for it.
Alright. Gonna head out to Grump. Yeah, he's flexing, so I think he's made a man of himself today. How'd you go, mate?
We've got heaps more if there's any size ones.
Oh, yeah, well, that's true. So in other words, you scooped quite a few, but...
Yeah, I went for a swim and tipped out one as well.
Oh, did ya? Devo? Oh, you got 2, that's alright.
I'm gonna check.
That float, by the way, is actually 130.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so 129. Well, close enough. Oh, well, good job. You got anything funny to say to the viewers, Grump?
I got crabs. I got crabs. I got crabs.
You got crabs. You get them in Mandurah, don't you?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, you hang out by the nightclubs and you're bound to get some for sure. Alrighty guys, this is the ending for the crabbing video. So we're back home now, and as you can see, we got quite a bit of a feed where we got 3, 6, 8 crabs. And then on video just before we did this one, we went out with the kids to Preston Beach and we got all these fish. So we got 8 tailor and 2 herring. So we're gonna have quite a feast today. So everyone's decided to come back to our house because it's nice and cool and aircon. So I figured we'll do some crabs and some fish on the barbecue. So I'm going to get stuck into cleaning all these up and have a bit of a pre-Aussie Day feast because I'll be at work for Australia Day. But if you haven't checked out that other video, which is the fishing one down at Preston Beach, go and check out that one. I'll leave the link up in the description. Right, there we go. So here's the crabs, and what I've done is you can see there inside the shell is the butter and the garlic. So I mixed up butter, melted the garlic, and then you just put a scoop in, put them back in the freezer so they set. And then all we're going to do is just whack them on the barbecue just like this. Tuck their legs up nice and tight. And basically, yeah, we're just going to lay them all across the barbecue. Once all the blue turns red, it's usually an indicator that they're actually cooked. So we've got 8 all up, I believe. Yeah, 8 crabs. So yeah, it's going to be a nice little feast. And if you have a look there, there's our all the herring and the tailor that we caught, and that's all been cooked now, so we just got to wait for all these and then we're good to go. We're going to have a huge epic feast. It should taste really good. Yeah, the idea behind this is the butter, as it's cooking, the butter melts and actually ends up going all through the meat.
I'm just working that with you in your casserole, in your veggies.
The butter's starting to slowly melt through the meat now, which you can see. And they're slowly turning pink. So once the legs, see how you can see the legs are still a little bit blue. Once they all turn pink and red like that one there, but all the way through the claws, so you know they're sort of pretty much ready. But and all that butter will basically just melt away, kind of like that one there. But yeah, they are smelling amazing. If you could smell a vision right now, you'd be salivating. Beautiful. Now there we go. So they're almost cooked. You can still see a little bit of blue. They've been on here probably 20 minutes now. So some of the claws are still a little bit on the pink side. So once they all turn the full orange like these ones here, they'll be ready. You'll notice the butter's sort of melted out now, so it's actually dispersed through it, and then you've got that nice bits of garlic, chunks of garlic in there, so these will be amazing. But yeah, we'll probably give them about another 10 minutes and they should start to orange up like the rest of them. Alright, there we go. So the crabs are all done now. They look absolutely amazing and the smell of them is phenomenal. So they are really, really good. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Stay moist.
Well, crabs. You got crabs. You get them in Mandurah, don't you? Yeah, right.